I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So Jen, look at the castle in the background. How cool is that?
It's very cool.
That is, I mean, honestly, I have to say, some of the detail from what we've seen in the last couple of days here at Universal, very cool. So where are we?
So we are in, I don't even know what this is called.
Hogsmeade.
Hogsmeade.
So we're at Islands of Adventure, Universal's park. Hogsmeade is in the background. The castle's in the background. You can see HAGRID'S right over there. We're about to go ride on it, so we're going to come back and give you a review of it. I'm gonna try to shoot right here again. I like this backdrop.
Okay.
So let's go do it really quick. Well, really quick.
It says it's a 2 hour and
10 minutes.
10 minute
yeah,
wait.
It's about a 2 hour wait. So we're gonna let you know how long the wait is and what the ride's like. We've never ridden it before.
Yes.
Somebody that's as perky as I am.
I might not be perky in another hour of this line.
Oh, I wouldn't be either. I hear you for that. It's still early though. You're in good shape. This is cool. Give it another hour and we'll be home.
That's true. We're ready to go lockers.
So I think she had a hard time.
Accelerations, tilting and jarring actions. You should expect sudden and extreme movements. Blood pressure. Motion sickness, dizziness.
Try to make your way to the loading platform. Please decide who is riding the motorbike, who is riding the front car. Don't request whether it's front row, the back row, or anything. It's really not.
We're about to get on it, Jen. We're about to get on it.
Yay, I'm
how
so
cool.
excited. It was posted as a 135-minute wait, and we waited an hour and 10.
Please watch your step.
All right, we are back.
So we only waited an hour and 10 minutes,
Yeah.
which was great, and that was super crazy.
So I was in the bike
Oh my gosh.
on the regular bike. You were in the sidecar.
I was in the sidecar.
And do you think you want to do it on the regular bike?
No.
You would rather not do it again, right?
Yes.
No, you're gonna do it
That
again.
was intense, man.
How
That
was
I just didn't like the sudden accelerations.
That was cool. It was.
Oh my gosh.
There were sudden accelerations, and then you're banking like all the way on your side, and then there was
when
a
you
part,
go backwards, and
you
then
go
when you
backwards,
drop.
and then you drop.
Oh,
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting that.
So there was a lot of it that was just very, very cool. Really, really enjoyed that
I'm
ride
glad
a lot.
I did it, but I don't need to do it again.
I need to do it again. But it was very cool because initially I thought, man, I don't know if I want to wait that long. I'm glad we waited.
Yeah,
It was
I am
totally
too.
worth it.
Joe did not want to wait, and I made him.
Yeah. So, well, we got the castle in the background still there. And again, there's the ride that just went by. We're gonna grab, I don't know if you want
I need food.
Butterbeer, something
No,
else?
I need food.
We need something else?
Yeah,
All right.
food.
Well, overall, excellent. Loved it. Great, and it's worth all the hype that they say. It was a lot
Definitely,
of fun.
definitely.
So all right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action.
Because if you do,
you could miss us riding, I don't know, Spider-Man, Dr. Seuss.
Dr. Seuss, how about Dr. Doom?
That's more my speed.
You don't want to do
No.
the Dr. Doom death drop? No?
No.
Okay,
No.
well, keep tuning in. We got more coming all the time.
All right,
Talk
bye
to you guys
guys.
later. Bye.